Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is kind of a confusing one. The end is really funny. But yeah, so let's get loaded up into this game. And I think we're gonna be doing a battle royale. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Let's get loaded up. And tell me if you guys like the intro, because I can definitely do more of those. But yeah. So let's do that. Look here. Bam bam. Like this gun. Don't really like the chocolate, but whatever. Zing zing. No. But yeah. I'm just gonna be shooting these people right now. Make his eyesight bad. Yeah. I love the drone. Probably that's one of my favorite ones yet. Is the drone. 'Cause like it tells me where people are. Come on, gotta get this timer to go faster. But 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, drone. Yeah, sorry if I'm quiet. This is like my first one with the mic. So, and tell me if you guys want more of these videos. I don't know where I'm gonna land. Probably at the farm, but yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the farm here, so let's just get close enough. Like I said, the ending is very crazy, but make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys want to see more, and hit that notification bell, because I'm gonna start trying to upload for every 2 videos per week, every 1 video per week. I don't know, you guys really just tell me and I'll listen. Dang it, don't want a rocket launcher. Just pick these up because I know, or I'm gonna try to get a sniper anyways. Yes, want that gun. That's probably gonna be the one I use. I would have uploaded more of these, but they would never load and it'd just take too long and the video would be way too long. So that's the reason why there's not really much, but yeah. But let's just see how it works. I gotta kill people. I think there's a person over here. I'm gonna make them confused on think so that they don't know that I'm over here. Just pick this one up. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna put up my drone just to see. Yeah, see, there's a person right there. He shoots me once, but I kill him. Kill him like a villain. I had to reload there. Should pick up the sniper ammo. Yeah, see, there's the sniper. I thought that was a different gun, to be honest. Sorry if I'm a little quiet. I'm just nervous because it's like my first time having a mic or with the gaming, and so yeah, I'm gonna be doing some new editing apps and that. So sorry if I'm a little quiet. I'm just a little bit nervous. Oh, there's somebody over here. Bang. I think he sees me. I'm not quite sure, but bang. Headshot. Let's go, baby. Let's put this out to make sure that nobody's over here while I'm looting. If you guys have any tips on like where to land or that, you can also tell me. Sorry about that. I'm just sweating right now, so if I make any weird noises, just to let you guys know. But if you guys have if there's anybody that wants to help me edit or anything like that, then you guys can. I know this is a second video of the same video, but this is one with the actual mic. So yeah, but if you guys have anybody that, or if you guys know anybody that knows how to edit, go ahead and tell me, please, because I need somebody to edit my videos because I'm really bad at it. So here's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to cut to the area and then I'll start talking. So, yeah. So just for anybody that thought that the sound was off. But yeah. So let's just get this kill real quick. And normally I have like 10 to 12 kill games. But this game, I don't know. I don't think I might get a lot of kills. But yeah. Hopefully I do get a lot of kills. But I'm not complaining about my kills right now. Okay, here's another part that I saw. The guy in a boat. I was gonna shoot at him, but then I remembered I have a sniper. I missed. He puts out his drone. Sorry. I missed again. And that goes up there to somebody. But I think, yeah, I hit him right here. And I just lose him, so I don't get that kill. But, yeah. Okay, I know there's a lot of cutting, but yeah. I might just add some background music so that it's not like boring. But this part, I don't know what this green thing is on the map. I don't look up, but I don't want to because I don't want to get distracted, because if it is somebody, then. But I'm like right on it. And then I die. Yeah, this sucks. Alright, bye guys.